Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today once again we are here in Penang, Georgetown, and doing the same business. We are giving the message to people, let's stop World War III. This is our effort that we have to do that, so maybe the world can be safe. This is our new banner. Hazrat Mirza Masroor said, all I see is a generation of children being pushed into the arms of those who seek to destroy the peace of the world. Mirza Masroor Ahmad. This is our message: love for all, hatred for none. Our members of Jamaat here, fundamentals of peace. This is all the way Georgetown, Penang. We are giving the message of peace to the world. Mostly in this area foreigners come. This is the book, World Crisis in Pathway to Peace. This is annual lectures. Let's unite for peace. The Holy Quran, guidance for mankind, fundamentals of peace.